Hey, this is Suraj, Realtor with the Dan Plowman team. I'm outside 22 Athenia Court in Scarborough. It's a beautifully renovated semi-detached house with 3 bedrooms, a fully renovated basement with a separate entrance. Come check it out. Out on the main floor here, we have an open concept layout, a very stylish kitchen, beautifully renovated with an island, original hardwood flooring, tons and tons of natural light. This could be the perfect spot for your family. On the upper floor, we have 3 spacious bedrooms, tons of natural light, no carpets at all, and it has one fully renovated washroom. So I'm in the basement here. As you can see, it's fully renovated, has nice above grade windows bringing in tons of natural light. And it's a nice cozy basement, perfect for your family, for your weekday nights. This is one of those places where you might want to spend more time on the backside than on the inside. It's got the large private deck with a dining area, a patio, and a shed for all your storage, and tons of privacy and quiet. This is Suraj Venugopal, Realtor with the Dan Plowman team. Thanks for touring 22 Athenia Court, Scarborough with me. It's a beautiful house. It's got a lot of good stuff in it. Fully renovated, 3 bedrooms, renovated basement with a separate entrance. If you would like to book a private tour, please call the number above. If you want to see similar listings, don't forget to subscribe below.